They say beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and the same is true for attraction. What one person finds irresistible, another might completely overlook. And that's actually a good thing. But let's be honest, there are some things that secretly reduce your attractiveness, and you might not even realize it. In today's video, we're going to look at 10 habits and details that can make someone less attractive, and how to fix them with ease. None of this is about perfection or pressure. It's about small shifts that can make a big difference. Ready? Let's dive in. Drooping mouth corners. Even with perfect hair, flawless makeup, or the most stylish outfit, if the corners of your mouth are turned downward, it can unintentionally give off a negative or tired vibe. A simple tip? Try gently lifting your mouth corners now and then during the day. Not only does it subtly brighten your face, but studies show that smiling can trick your brain into feeling happier. It's a win-win. Following every makeup trend. Not every trend is made for every face. Harsh contouring, bold colors, or exaggerated styles can work on the runway or social media, but in real life, they often don't translate well. Especially as we age, less is often more. Choose makeup that highlights your natural beauty rather than hiding it behind trends. Neglecting dental care. Attractive teeth aren't about having a Hollywood white smile. They're about looking clean, fresh, and cared for. That includes brushing, flossing, regular checkups, and avoiding chronic bad breath. A warm, healthy smile is one of the fastest ways to boost your attractiveness. Poor personal hygiene. Even someone with great looks can lose all charm if they smell unpleasant. We're talking about unwashed hair, body odor, bad breath, or even smelly feet. A gentle reminder, hygiene isn't just self-care, it's also care for the people around us. And if you notice someone close to you struggling in this area, telling them, kindly, can be a true act of friendship. Visible grooming mistakes. Think untrimmed nose hairs, overly glued-on lashes, or grown-out chipped nails. These little things can quickly turn into big distractions. Take a few minutes each week to check your grooming details, and keep everything clean and simple. Neglected hands and feet. You don't need an expensive manicure to have attractive hands and feet. Short, well-shaped nails, moisturized skin, and clean soles can go a long way. Dry heels and cracked skin can make even designer shoes look dull. Try a weekly foot scrub, moisturizing lotion, and soft socks overnight. Your feet will thank you. Overdone cosmetic procedures. Enhancing your natural beauty is totally fine, and for many, it's a confidence boost. But overdoing Botox, fillers, or facelifts can lead to stiff expressions and unnatural results. Attractiveness comes from expression, personality, and energy, not from a frozen face. Poor body language and posture. You don't need to walk like a model, but slouching or stiff movements can affect how you're perceived. Ground your feet, roll your shoulders back, and lift your chest slightly. Move with presence. And remember, confidence is not loud, it's relaxed, open, and aligned. A harsh or high-pitched voice. This one's often overlooked, but voice matters. A very loud, screechy, or overly fast voice can come across as anxious or chaotic. Try lowering your tone slightly, speaking with calm clarity, and taking pauses. If needed, voice coaching can do wonders. Gossiping and constant complaining. What we say about others reflects who we are. Gossip, bitterness, or negative talk can instantly make someone less appealing, even if they're physically attractive. Instead, focus on kindness, presence, and genuine interest in others. That's magnetic energy. Final thoughts. Attractiveness isn't just about looks. It's how we carry ourselves, how we treat others, and how we care for the little things. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be mindful. Let me know in the comments. Speech balloon, what's one thing you find really attractive in others? And what's a turn-off for you? Until next time, stay radiant. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you.